Hey everyone, so Aeroham just sent over some of these pretty cool new wheels, all right? I gotta say, honestly, I didn't think they were gonna be that great. I just kind of saw them and went, yeah, I don't know, man, it's a new style, whatever. Put them on the car and you know what, it looks a lot better than I thought. You'll see. So, gonna go through quick unboxing, install. I'm even gonna weigh them. Got a little scale here. Okay, gonna see the difference between those and the factory wheel covers here, the factory aero covers. Put them on this car and show you what they look like, all right? Discount code below, save some money. And comparing them to like the Uberturbine wheels, which are like way more expensive and also way heavier. Okay, I'll go through the weight. I can't remember right now the numbers, but heavier wheels, heavier tires, everything heavier on the car is going to reduce miles, going to reduce range, okay, and performance. So if you've got the factory 18-inch wheels, you've got about the lightest set of wheels from the factory that you can put on the car. You do have the lightest set of wheels from the factory that you can put on the car, okay? You're getting the best range from those wheels. Now, you want them to look better than those factory aero covers over there? This is how you do it. If you buy a different set of wheels, you buy the Uberturbine wheels, you're going to spend a lot of money. They're super heavy. You're going to reduce range. When you look at it overall, this is a way better option than the Uberturbine wheels. This box is taking some abuse here. Okay, well, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, wheel covers. Oh man, these things are pretty sharp. They shipped them in a different box. Wheel caps. Yeah, with the cover off the cap, that matches pretty nicely. Boy, that looks good. Oh yeah, these look pretty sharp. Okay, these center caps just basically have double-sided tape. I would recommend cleaning these off with some alcohol. Generally, you want to apply some pressure for, I don't know, 15, 30 seconds. Any of this double-sided tape. This has got way more style, that's for sure. All right, let's get these suckers on the car. Something you got to pay attention to. There is a right and left. The design is directional on these. Okay, what is this? Oh, the double-sided tape. Okay, that's nice. Okay, looking at the stock aero wheel here, and then the new one over here, you see that it's pretty much all the same design. I believe the plastic is the same. They're both made out of ABS plastic. Well, I'm sorry, this one's made out of ABS plastic. Not sure exactly what this one's made out of. There's a picture of them on Aeroham standing on this thing. And if you saw when I installed it, you've got to kind of like pound it in. And yeah, just pound it in. It can take it. It didn't seem like it was going to crack or like it was weak or anything at all. It's got some flex to it, and like I said, didn't seem like it was going to break. Okay, this tape stuff. Now, you can use it, maybe put some on here. Just like the factory aero wheel here, it has these plastic tabs that kind of grab onto the spokes. It does it here too. So you can use this tape and maybe put some on here or put some on the wheel to help protect the wheel a little bit more. All right, now let's look at the size difference. Again, this is the factory aero cover here. That's lined up, and yeah, that's a decent amount bigger. It's about 9/16 bigger. That's pretty good. And you do notice it. That means they must be a little bit heavier. You know what? Let me weigh them. I've got a little scale. I've got a little scale here. Let me turn it this way just so it doesn't catch on anything. 22.6 ounces, 22.7 around. All right. 23. So yeah, this, according to this, slightly heavier. They look like 19s. You put them on the car, I'll show you, they look like 19s. These are bigger. These are larger wheel covers. All right, so let's check these things out. Now, first things first, and first thing is to put them on the right side. Now, this one says R, right. That would be like this. This is different than this. This, when I look at the Uberturbines on the Teslas, they come like this. You know, facing this direction with the fin angle this way. And it seems to kind of make some sense, but either way, just know that there's a direction. Know that two of them have an R on this back, 2 of them do not. What I'm going to do is put them this way. All right, if you've never taken these off, or if it's been a while, it's really not that big of a deal. You just kind of get behind here and kind of start pulling. All the clips come off, and then the center clip has to come out too. Okay, if you've got your wheels like this, don't forget you've got to take the center cap and the wheel lug caps off before you put any wheel cover on. All right, let's see what this looks like. This cutout goes where the tire valve is. You got to be pretty forceful with these guys. But whoa, look at that. Dang. I gotta say that looks pretty cool. All right, one thing I'm noticing right off the bat is that these things are bigger. They go beyond the lip of the rim, and they make the whole wheel look bigger. Yeah, okay, yeah, much better than I expected. Honestly, I wasn't sure if I was going to keep these things, but I don't know. I'm kind of liking them better than the uncovered. I like them way better than the stock aero cover wheels. I mean, that's for sure. But right now, I'm trying to figure out if I like these better, or, you know, what's underneath there, the actual wheel. Because I do like the way the factory 18-inch wheels look. They're not bad. Here's the other part. Because these things are a little bit bigger, and I'll show that in a second, or maybe I've already showed it to you, these look like 19s now. The profile of the tire looks thinner, and the actual wheel looks bigger. That's fantastic. If you haven't noticed already, my car is lowered, okay? Add some wheel covers, lower your car, this is what you're gonna get. Not bad at all. If you haven't seen my video on lowering your car, please check it out. Entire install video on how to lower your car.